Curious to know what is new with the home screen in iOS 18? Here's a quick and easy guide to get you started. The first thing you will notice is that my app icons are in unusual places. On previous iOS versions, I could not have this top row icon only house one app icon. With iOS 18, I am able to move all of the app icons anywhere on screen. Yes, this has been a feature on Android for the last 10 years, but Apple is just playing catch up. We can move my phone item up there. We can move the YouTube app here. We got settings down here. We got the passwords app. And as you can see, you can just move these anywhere and they will stick. The next customization option in iOS 18 is the dark mode app icons. You can see that all of the Apple first-party apps have a dark mode version of the app icons, and now with beta 3, even some third-party icons are also given the dark mode treatment. You can expect once iOS 18 has been released to the public, third-party app developers are going to create their own dark mode app icons. For app icons that do not have a dark mode, they would be slightly darker. So for example, the Duolingo app is slightly darker than what it normally is. You can also change the color of all of your app icons to one specific color. So for example, if we enter jiggly mode, yes, that's apparently what it's called. We hit edit and then we hit customize. And if we tap on tinted, all of our app icons are black and white, and we can adjust the color to what we want. And it's pretty cool. So everyone's iPhone is going to look different. You could also adjust based on light and dark mode from here, or you can just have it on automatic so that when it changes from light to dark mode and vice versa, the app icons will respond accordingly. In addition, you can now make app icons larger, and if we tap on large, we can see that the app icons have increased in size, and they've also removed the app name as well, which is pretty good because by now, if you've been an iPhone user, or even if you switch from Android to iOS, you already know what a lot of the third-party apps names are. So having them bigger actually makes them a lot easier to tap, especially when you are using bigger iPhones. Some of the apps have widget versions, and with iOS 18, it's easy to add the widget from the home screen. All you need to do is long press on the app icon. In the second row, there are several different widget icons. So we'll tap second one, and we can see that it's gotten the widget form. From here, we can also change it to another form as well. And we can lastly create the biggest version of the calendar widget. This works with other widgets as well. Third-party apps also get this new experience. Overall, the changes to the home screen are welcomed. Finally, Apple is giving its users some flexibility on how to customize their home screen, making the iPhone feel very personal. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment on what iOS 18 features you want to see, and consider subscribing. Remember, all engagement is good engagement, and until next time, I will see you in the next video. Take care.